Hi guys, today in this video I'll show you about how to fix Discord call connecting problem. So first of all you need to go your Discord app, and after that you can tap on your profile. Wait for a moment. Now you can see top of the right corner, tap on here, scroll down and you can see voice activity, tap on here. You need to enable this option and tap on input mode. Now you can see voice activity, tap on here, and after that you can go your settings and go your storage, and after that you can find Discord app. Wait for a moment, it's take the time to open. Scroll down here, Discord, to tap on here and clear cache.